Hey everybody, welcome back to Ski Play Live TV. I am Jill and I am unboxing a FabFitFun box today. So I've kept my subscription of FabFitFun up for the past year and a half, and I really just like to get odd, interesting home items and fashion items that I wouldn't find on my own. And I find that the prices are pretty reasonable. I am saving money by doing this. If I don't like something, I have a gift to give someone. And one of the things that's always happened is whenever the box comes in the mail, my daughter can't wait for me to open it. And so she likes to see the stuff. She'll take a few of the things for herself. And I just dropped my daughter at college and the box came in, but they missed each other. So I am doing this unboxing as a special treat for my daughter. Taking a look at what's inside the box, I have not opened it yet. So you're seeing it for the first time, and so am I. So you always get something on the inside of the box, and fall's coming. Our last day of summer is September 22nd. And for the fall, you know what we get? We get rain. My daughter is going to school at Chapman University, and that's in Southern California. Yes, it does rain. It's very, very sunny, and it's been sunny all week that we dropped her off. But they don't get snow, not unless it's some sort of freak storm. They get rain, and here in Utah, we don't really get rain in Park City. We get snow, and if we get rain, it just lasts a couple hours. We stay inside, it goes away. Don't use umbrellas. We wear rain jackets and we go outside and do whatever we need. If you are holding an umbrella, that's one less hand you have to walk your dog or ride your bike. So we don't do umbrellas here. Has a little sleeve. Do I even remember how to open umbrellas? Make it stay. This would be great if you're going to college because you can just fit it in your backpack and it doesn't take up a lot of space. But I can't figure out how to make it stay. All right, y'all. Took my boyfriend having to show me. There's actually a button right there. And if you hit the button, you don't push it up yourself. You hit the button. And it does it. Now, bringing it back down, you've got to hit the button again and push down. I hope I don't break this thing. And you let go of the button. Otherwise, you can't let it won't stay. But if you let go of the button and then push down, it does stay. So hey, there you go. Pretty cool. Watch it again. I like this part. So cool. Okay, enough of that. Shampoo called Wow. I am almost done with the shampoo and conditioner that I got in the last box, so I'm looking forward to having some ColorWow shampoo that is clean and residue free, and I guess it helps preserve your color. I got this neck wrap that you can heat up or cool, and you can put it around your neck. And it's better than those cold packs that you stick in your freezer. I know I have a bunch, you probably have a bunch too. But this would wrap around and go all the way around your neck, as opposed to those packs that just kind of, you gotta place it in different spots. And you could even wrap it around your knee or your elbow. So, and it's very pretty. So, this is for me. I will share it with Sage. Oh, these are fun. I got some cheap throwaway giveaway glasses that kind of look similar, but these definitely feel sturdier. These are pretty cool. These are from Kate Spade. Check it out. Are they me? I look forward to wearing these by the pool. Next item, we have Turmeric milk and lemon drop plant milk cleansing bar. My daughter only uses body wash. I like using bars. So this one has no sulfates, pH balance, gentle cleanser, skin natural ingredients, and 98% biodegradable formula from Dove. This is Onekind Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer. This is for hands, neck, décolleté. I don't put this stuff on my face. I am incredibly sensitive to anything with fragrance and synthetic or natural fragrances. Oh, and one of the things that I got to pick, which I'm very happy about, because if any of you bake or cook, you know that cookie sheets get gross after a while and they get rusty, and that has been what happened to all my cookie sheets. And I'm planning on baking and sending Sage treats, so I got KitchenAid baking sheets, and they're small, but since I guess I'm an empty nester now, this is a KitchenAid little spatula. And that's that for the FabFitFun box. Sage, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing because it was meant just for you, as well as the Ski Play Live audience. So thanks you all for tuning in, and stay tuned for the next video.